Hey, how's it going, Ken? Good afternoon. This is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click this video and check it out. I spoke to Miss Deborah earlier this morning about just sending you guys this quick video on some things you could do to help improve traffic and bring in more business through your website. If you're wondering why I'm even making the video, though, I just find that a lot of business owners, don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet actually work for themselves, to bring in more customers. And typically, the only thing that will hold them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who's an expert and who isn't. And when we give these attack plans out for free, people call me back sometimes and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you knock this stuff out for me. So, at the end of the video, Ken, if you find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could be a benefit to you guys' business, definitely let me know. I'd love the opportunity to talk more about it. But if you end up wanting to just take this information, apply it yourself, and run with it, that works totally fine with me too. I'm just looking to help out here. So, what I want to go over is how to make your website more of an authority, how to make you guys more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack. Okay. So starting off by looking at your website, I've looked it over. The layout is great. Like the theme is nice. I really I'm a huge fan of this logo, and blue and orange works well together. It's like a great theme. Everything looks on point. Like you guys, I don't know if you guys did this yourself or if you had somebody else do it for you, but the website like overall looks good. One thing though, just to be transparent with you, Google is not ultimately concerned with, the overall aesthetic of the website. Content is king in their eyes. So I put you guys' information into a word counter. I think you had like around 800, 850 words or so. To be considered authoritative, they want to see you between 1,500 to 2,000 words of content because the average homepage has about 1,800. But sitting in that sweet spot of 1,500 to 2,000 is going to give you guys more room to filter through the keywords that you want to rank for, and it's going to favor Google's algorithm and put you guys over the top, okay? And again, I'm comparing you guys to Master Air, and the reason being, right, is when I just typed in I made a generic search for HVAC contractor Santa Fe, Texas, they popped up over you guys. Like you're on the first page, but I mean these guys are in Pearland. There's no reason that they should be ranking them. That's your spot, right? That's you guys' spot. You belong there, not somebody up in Pearland. But speaking on how to make you guys' website more trustworthy, up and over to a tool that we use called Ahrefs. It costs us about $1,000 a month, but it just gives us really valuable data that's going on in the back end of your website, and it allows us to do competitor research as well to see what they're doing correctly. But oh wait, I'm over in Master Air. Sorry, let me go to you guys. We plugged your information in here. So typically this ratio, we want it to be at a 1. That's considered the golden ratio. You guys have a ton of backlinks and 31 referring domains. Moving forward, it's vital information that any backlinks you have are coming from websites that are relevant to you guys' industry. Like all coupons codes, all best coupon deals, those guys, those websites are like hurting you basically. They're lowering your trust factor in the eyes of Google, okay? Um, and also too, I want to touch on Master. We got their information in here as well. Because again, looking at the keywords that they're ranking for, I feel like is going to give you guys an edge, right? For one, again, excuse me, having more content is going to be a big thing, but throw in some of these keywords like air conditioning repair Pearland, Texas. I know you guys are in Santa Fe, but they're outranking you in Santa Fe. So it makes sense. Like this is all free game. You know what I mean? 70 people a month are searching for this keyword, and they're getting 10 people a month to their website for that, right? AC repairs Pasadena. I know that's a little further in for where you guys are at. That's probably that might be out of your range, but even still, let's see, AC Repair Pearland, Texas. 60 people a month are searching for that. They're getting 2 people a month to their website for just that's 2 leads a month for AC Repair Pearland. Laporte is a low-hanging fruit. Again, 40 people a month are searching for that. At least one of them are making it to their website. These are all leads for you guys. If you guys were to, add more content to your website and throw some of these buyer intent keywords in there, you're going to start to steal some of this traffic from them, okay? Then the last thing I wanted to touch on is how to get you guys ranked locally in Google's Map Pack. You can see, again, going back to that generic search, you guys aren't popping up here. All this is based on is how many citations you have. And what a citation is how many times your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories throughout the internet. Like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist, Home Advisor, Facebook is even one. Go find the exact same directories that these guys are listed in and add yourselves to the same ones. And if you were to throw yourself into 50 more on top of that, not only are you going to take over this #1 spot, but it's going to take them quite a while to catch back up to you guys. So all I got for you, Ken. I know it was a lot of information. Just a quick recap. Content is king. You guys' website looks phenomenal. It would just benefit you to add about 1,000 more words of content on this homepage. Again, with the focus on some of these keywords that your competitors are ranking for, like air conditioning repair, Pearland, Texas. Pasadena is probably a little bit far. If you wanted to, you could. Again, these are low-hanging fruit with high search volume and guaranteed leads once you'd rank for them. AC repair, Pearland. But yeah, content is king. Also, too, real quick, what you save your images as is another opportunity to stuff keywords in there. So you could go change that to emergency HVAC service, Santa Fe, Texas, right? That's buyer intent. Might not be that many people searching for it, but the people that do absolutely need it, and that's going to help you guys out. And then the last thing is citations. Add yourself to the same directories that your competitors are in here. And if you add yourself to 20 more on top of that, you guys are going to take over these spots. Yeah, that's all I got, Ken. I'm going to get this video over to you shortly. If you had any comments, questions, concerns, found the information valuable, a line of feedback would be greatly appreciated. If you'd like to discuss how we might be able to help you out moving forward, that'd be awesome too. Or if you just want to take this information and run with it, be my guest, that's awesome. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin. I'm with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. Thanks so much, Ken. Y'all have a good one. Bye.